is definitely the best way to start a day when you have a lot to get done and you need to orient yourself as the mom. This gives my kids a little distraction while I can review the curriculum and get everything in order so that we're ready to go. This week is Feast Week, or Grand Feast Week, which means that the kids get to practice making a ton of food for our pre-Thanksgiving dinner. We're going to chop some veggies for green bean casserole, bake some rolls, mash some potatoes, and then for their craft, they get to make their own autumn placemats to use for our feast. So to begin, I had the kids start chopping up the green beans. The baby mostly just snacked on them, but the kids were so excited to plan and prepare Thanksgiving dinner specifically for their dad when he came home from work that they were all in and completely motivated. While they chopped the green beans, I got started on the dough for the rolls so that it would have time to rise. After the green beans, it was time to chop the mushrooms. Some of my kids don't love mushrooms, but I found that the more I involve the kids in the food preparation for meals, the more open they are to eating ingredients that they would otherwise not eat. Mushrooms is one of those ingredients. I love mushrooms. I eat them raw. I don't know why, but I've always loved them. My husband will eat them if he must, and so it has been funny seeing how my kids react to them. After chopping veggies, it was time to make the kids placemats out of wool felt. I remember doing projects like this in my art classes in elementary school for no other purpose than to just have something else for my parents to put in their filing cabinet. But I love that these are made specifically for the purpose of using as a placemat. They have officially been packaged away with the rest of the autumn decor that has since been replaced with Christmas decorations. As it had already been a long morning, I opted to give the kids some lunch and have them watch Migration while I finished off shaping and rising the rolls. I'm not sure I got the consistency quite right, but they looked and tasted just fine when I was all finished with them. My assignment for our Thanksgiving dinner the next night was cranberry sauce. I've never eaten cranberry sauce, much less made it. I've just never felt the desire to even try it. So I used my sister-in-law's recipe that everyone swore by, and then I was left with so much after Thanksgiving, and I'm still yet to try it. I was, however, surprised at how easy the recipe was. On to the green bean casserole. Again, this is a first for me and one of my husband's favorite Thanksgiving dishes, so I couldn't mess it up. It turned out really, really, really good, in my opinion, and we had a ton left over. I played some piano while the kids prepped the dinner table, and then as the sun was going down, we rushed to get the potatoes boiled and mashed before Dad got home. And this marks the end of the autumn season for us and the beginning of the winter holidays. Next week is decorating week, and I hope you will all join us for those adventures. See you in the next video.